On the client side, on the TCP client side, first step would be to create a client socket using the socket function. Second step would be to connect to the server using the connect function. Third step would be to use send function and receive function in order to communicate between the server and the client. The final step would be to close these connections both on server as well as on client using close function. So I hope these steps are clear enough for you. So let me try and summarize this for you. So on the server, what you have to do is first create socket, then second create socket using the socket function. Create socket using the socket function. Then bind socket, then listen for connections, then accept connections. On the client side, it will be first create a socket. How would you do that? By using the socket function. Then connect to the socket, connect to the server using the connect function. To make conversations, use send and receive functions. To close connection, use close function. So I hope these steps are crystal clear to everybody right now. We will be needing this to make a peer-to-peer chat and a multi-user chat application. See you in the next video. Thank you.